Hey, hello. Welcome to Unlocking Chemistry. Myself, Kinshuk Chatterjee. Today we will learn about Reimer Tiemann reaction. Through this series of reaction, we will discuss about the reactions or name reactions. Those are important for class 11 to CSI and NET gate. Okay. Our first reaction is Reimer Tiemann reaction. When phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of base at 65 degrees centigrade followed by reactions with dilute acid, we will get two products. One is ortho product, another one is major product. Generally, we found that para products are major product due to steric reasons. But in this case, ortho product, that is ortho 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, also known as salicylaldehyde, is the major product. This is the major product. We will learn why it is major product. Shortest answer is due to the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is major, since it forms intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. First of all, we have to learn about the mechanism. We will learn about the mechanism. Chloroform. This is chloroform, right? We know that the hydrogen of chloroform is acidic in nature. Since the minus I effect of chlorine is there, this hydrogen is highly acidic and it will OH minus will abstract that hydrogen and the arrow will move this direction. We will get this. Now chlorine has good leaving aptitude, and due to this we will get dichlorocarbene. And this carbene is of course singlet carbene. The correct intermediate in this reaction is singlet carbene. Now what is singlet carbene? What is triplet carbene? There is two types of carbene. If this is wedge, this is dotted, those are the p orbital. P orbital. Okay. This is wedge and this is dotted. Now this is wedge and this is dotted. Now if both the electrons are present like this fashion, this is singlet, and in this fashion this is triplet. Here the S value is one up spin plus up, another one is down spin. So total S is 0, 2s plus 1, that is spin multiplicity here is 1. That's why it is singlet. Here S value is half plus half, that is 1. So 2s plus 1 value is 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. That's why it is triplet. This is singlet, this is triplet. The hydrogen of phenol is acidic. In presence of base, it will form phenoxide and resonance stability. Now the carbene is electrophile in nature, short of octet. That's why it is electrophile in nature. First of all, the arrow will move this direction and it will attack the carbon. Why, sir? This carbon is soft center. Okay, and this position is also soft. Both are soft center. This is soft, and oxygen center is hard. We know that soft interaction is much more preferable over hard soft interaction. That's why this carbon is attacking to the carbene carbon, and we will get this. Correct? We will get this. Now the minus will abstract this hydrogen and arrow will move this fashion to regain aromaticity. We know that aromatic compounds are much more stable. That's why it gains aromaticity through this hydrogen abstraction. Now the base will attack this carbon and the chlorine will leave. Okay, so here Cl, one OH is there and hydrogen present. Now This way the bond will move and chlorine is again left out. So we will get this product. Now after reactions with dilute HCl or you can write H3O plus, we will get this product as major product. Now we will learn about the reactions with this reagent. That is, if ortho position is blocked? If the ortho position is blocked, then the CHO group will be at the para position. Why, sir? This ortho position is free, so why not this position? If you put CHO group this position, 3 consecutive groups are there, it makes steric congestion, steric crowding. That's why to avoid the steric crowding, the CHO group will be at the para position. Now what if it react with catechol? This is the structure of catechol. Okay, due to reaction with this reagent, we will get this position. The CHO group will at this position, not at this position. Okay, similar reason. That's why CHO group will be at this position. Now, what if it will react? What if it will react with any solvent? In this case, there is no chance of intramolecular hydrogen bonding because there is no hydrogen present. In this case, we will get para product as major product because in this case there is no chance of intramolecular hydrogen bonding like the former case, phenol case. Okay, that's why this is the major product. Those are some reactions with the Reimer Tiemann reagent. To understand Reimer Tiemann reactions more deeply, think if we take CHF3 instead of chloroform, what will happen? If HC, this is there, due to the presence of base, it will form again this. In this case, this hydrogen is more acidic due to the better minus I, stronger minus I effect of fluorine. But in this case, fluorine will not leave and it will not form difluorocarbene because fluorine has poor leaving aptitude. Okay, CF bonds are much more stronger, so it will not form. But think if we take this as reagent, again H will be abstracted and now we have chlorine to lead and we will get this difluorocarbene. Now if you think what will happen when this carbene will react with phenol, this is quite imaginary or hypothetical, but it will help to understand chemistry better. Okay. Phenol will form phenoxide ion. This is quite obvious. Now, this is difluorocarbene. This center is hard center now. This is hard center due to the presence of this fluoro group, fluorine group. Okay, and we know that oxygen is hard, so now hard interaction will take place and we will get this compound. Okay, this product or intermediate state. Now with the reactions with dilute acid, it will form this. In this case, there is no chance of aldehyde formation like in the case of phenol, because in this case hard interaction is taking place. This is called SAB principle. Okay, soft hard acid base or hard soft acid base, both are same. So in this case there is no chance of aldehyde formation like the previous case. So by this way, if you study chemistry, you will know the core mechanism and you can solve many complicated advanced level of question. By surface level of reading, you cannot solve those critical questions. To know such type of concept, you have to like, subscribe Unlocking Chemistry, and if you want direct subscription or direct guidance, you can contact to the given number and join our online offline centers at Asansol, Durgapur, Kolkata Feria Center. I hope you learn this concept very well, and for more videos stay with our channel. Thank you so much. Best wishes.